No. Look at all this glass Joanna found around the campsite. Just more idiots leaving garbage behind in a campsite. Oh. Joanna just finished the lights up there, and it's gonna look really cool at night. That shed out there has the firewood, and I am dreading to see what it cost. Look at the size of this camp spot we got. This is all ours. There's the best built tarp in the world, right there. $12. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Not very good. You gotta pay for everything these days, but we got some wood anyways, I suppose. Cheers. What do you got in there, Joanna?
Onions and mushrooms, and then I'm going to put in our vegan sausage, and then I'm going to make some macaroni and vegan cheese.
Vegan sausage. This is a strong beer. Good girl, Poppy. Okay, go. Eat. Joanna cooked up a nice dinner for us. It's good. And so when you put a tarp up for camping, make sure that it's not full of holes. That axe is so dull, but I got a girlfriend who can do that kind of stuff. I mean, fiance. Look at her. So I'm out looking for a place to fish. Joanna stayed back at the campsite. So I'm here high above the water. You can see the treetops there. And basically, I want to see if I can find my way down to that outcropping there that's level with the water. That'd be pretty cool, fishing in solitude, nobody around, out of the busier campsite. So I think down here, I found a trail that might end up going down there. Okay. Well, there's an empty beer can, so somebody's been down here. I'll be picking that up on my way back. Okay, I made it water level, and oh, you gotta check this out. Look at that thing. Oh my God. That's a big spider. And it's got babies right there. Oh, I gotta change lenses for this. After doing some research when I got home, I found that this is probably a striped fishing spider, and they're one of the biggest spiders in North America. This particular one had about a 3-inch span from tip to tip on the legs. And it's pretty neat because it spins a web and uses it for a shelter for its babies. Well, here comes lure number 1. Okay, let's go. I'm a little nervous. That spider is right behind me here, so I gotta keep an eye on that. Okay, well, I'm not gonna lie. I moved away from over there a little bit because I was nervous. I kept always looking back at that spider because that's crazy. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about today. Hopefully it can catch something. That would be really cool. Well, time to change up the lure. Here's lure number 2, lure number 3, and lure number 4. Even though I didn't catch anything today, it was definitely a beautiful day out on the lake and worth my time for sure. Walking into camp here, and check that out. Overall, it's a pretty cool little makeshift campsite, I guess. And that's it for tonight. We're gonna sit back and relax, enjoy the fire a little bit, and just enjoy our time, and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It's a beautiful day on the lake. It's before 7 a.m., before everybody gets up. And that's the time to fish. All right. Well, again, the fishing's been not great, but I'm gonna try around this patch of weeds here. I'm just like right by the beach and everything. There's a beach here, and there's some boats docked here. But we'll try there, see what happens. Nothing. Back at camp, and Joanna's eating some breakfast. Definitely need some of this coffee here. Yeah. So Some raisin oatmeal for breakfast. Time for some wraps. Kev's Camp and Cook Show. And we got some microgreens and some mushrooms and some cucumber, I think, and some sriracha mayo. I gotta talk to my producer. What else we got?
The eggless stuff in the foil.
Ah, vegan eggless eggs. They're awesome. My producer just said we could heat these up on our oven, on our stove. I think that's a good idea. Okay, so this is going on here on the Coleman stove, and you see these eggless things. Joanna made these from mung beans, and they taste like a scrambled egg, kind of. So these are gonna go where the toast would normally go on this thing. And I almost forgot to mention the tofu bacon. Breakfast is coming. I got good at rolling. I worked in a restaurant for a long time, and one of them had wraps. I'll show you how to do that. So you got to leave space on the sides here, and you kind of put everything down on the bottom third, and then you leave space here and here, and then you roll it up and pull it back and fold your sides over, and then roll, and that holds it all together. Anyway, vegan breakfast wraps. Well, that's it. We're all packed up, ready to go. We're ready to pull out. It's been a pretty good time here at Nutimik. Haven't done this kind of camping in a while. We've kind of been into the kind of backpack, hike out into the woods kind of thing. We're getting into that, but this was fun. It's great if you just want to get out to nature and relax a little bit.